Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2005 Johnson 90 horse 4-stroke, 20 inch. So a long shaft. It's got 324 hours on it. Compression was 210 on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. Prop, yes. Control box, yes. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. If we ship it, the oil will be drained out of the power head because we can't ship them with that in there. So you would have to add oil to the engine once you receive it. Give this to the camera guy here. Run this thing up. It does hit its rev limiter if I try to rev it all the way up, so I'm not going to hit that. Good running motor. Minnesota motor, so I've never been in salt water. Give it a minute here to get some water pumping through the system. You see it's pumping good water. It's trolling and forward. Trolls down nice. And this is EFI, not carbureted. Reverse. Neutral. Tilt and trim works, we just don't have it hooked up to the control box right now, so that works good. Nice clean engine for the most part. Shut it off. Fire it back up. So she's a good running motor. If you're interested in it, you give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you for watching another video.